So I thought I could just go ahead and make a little project. I'm not good at Photoshop. I wanted to really just do this because I'm waiting for Steep to finish installing. So you know what? I thought it'd be fun to kind of just challenge myself a little bit, be able to try a little something something, try something new. I want to put our logo. I want to put our logo on something artsy. Let me find one. Alright, so I have this hopefully non-copyrighted image that I'm going to be using to put the logo on here. Let's see here. Now I just got to figure out how I can do it. Okay, so I'm also going to try to do this without the use of a tutorial. I'm going to do this all on my own and hope to God that I could just do it without having to rely on internet tutorials or WikiHow or any bullshit like that. Alright, you need a good size for this. Fit it really nice. Now I think I need to make it like I need to warp it a little bit, I guess. Slant it kind of, make it look like it's going down the wall. I need to figure out how to do that. I think I have to do this one right here. Kinda. I think I'm supposed to widen out these right here and shorten these out. Wait, no. Undo. I wonder if there is just like a warping option where I could just hand tool maybe? No, that doesn't do anything. By the way, I barely ever used Photoshop. I took like one class that I barely paid attention to in high school. I mean, fuck, I mainly just spent the whole time playing Flash games in that class. I somehow passed it. Don't ask me how, but I somehow passed it, and you know, now I'm it would have been, I guess it would have been helpful to pay attention in that, huh? I guess this is what I'm supposed to do, is do the, whatever this is called, move tool, and, do some sort of warping on it, but I don't know how. Artboard tool, no. Ah, perspective crop. Haha! We're getting it now. I feel bad for anyone watching me who's like a Photoshop professional. I am not good at this. I'm awful at Photoshop. Just lower that slightly. Right? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Well, that didn't do anything. Thought I was getting somewhere. I was wrong. That's probably as good as it's gonna get for now. I mean, it looks pretty good, perspective-wise. I think. How do I do like some sort of transparency thing? Like, I want to go online and I want to look up tutorials on how to do this kind of stuff. And I know that's what people are probably gonna say. They're gonna say, "Oh, you should just go WikiHow or something, you know, just look it up." But you know what? No, fuck that. I want to try to do this shit on my own, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Do this shit on my own. I guess that's better. Unhide that layer. Yeah, it looks a little better. Ooh, maybe I can use a smudge tool a little bit to make it more natural. Like I said, if you are like a Photoshop king or something, please, for the love of God, forgive me, for I have sinned. I do not know Photoshop as much. Oh shit, that looks awful. Oh, what if I use this maybe? That actually looks really good. I like that. I like it. Kinda, yeah. I like it because it looks like you're passing by it. You know what? I'm just gonna. This is gonna be my one. All right, it's gonna be my one where I actually look it up. I feel like a dumbass. Okay, in the layers panel, select one or more layers or groups. Change the opacity. Are you fucking kidding me? Was it really that easy? Select one or more layers or groups. You're fucking kidding me. It was right there this whole fucking time. I feel like a dumbass. It was sitting right in front of my face this whole entire time. It literally says opacity. I was looking up here for no reason. Yeah, I feel like a fucking dumbass. Ugh. Well, I guess this is as good as it's gonna get, y'all. I mean, honestly, I suck at Photoshop. But you know what? It's good to you know, try at least, you know? I kind of wish I didn't have to Google it so I don't look like a dumbass. It's gonna haunt me, I guarantee it. But you know what? I mean, it was fun. Steep is still not done installing. But you know what? I guess I can just edit the video and hope that it'll be done by then. Well, thank you for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope you Photoshop experts didn't get too angry. And I'll see y'all later.